Hello student, today we are going to draw a Durga Mata face because the Navratri is near. So student, we are going to draw here the sketch with pencil and sketch pen. Yes? So make a border to your page first, and after that write down here the topic name Durga Mata face. After that we are going to draw a face here. So draw the oval shape for the face. Yes, draw oval shape like this. Draw properly. Okay, then draw the crown outline. Draw the two lines like this, and after that we have to make a crown line. Okay, everyone draw with me. Again draw here the two lines in this way, just like a crown shape. We have to make an outline first and then after draw the design. And again draw here the crown design like this. Draw the both side, right and left. Draw the same design, and after that we have to make here the earrings. Draw the both earring. Draw the circle like this. Okay, then draw here the crown design. Okay, it is very easy to draw. Yes. Okay, then draw the right side. We have to draw the same design on right side. Okay, draw like this. You can change the design. Yes. After that we are going to draw here the necklace for her neck. Draw the 4 lines in this way. Okay, first, second, third and 4 line. Okay, and in this middle we have to make a design. Draw here small circle between these 2 lines only. Okay, you can use your creativity to decorate the necklace. Okay, after that we are going to draw here the lines. It's a part of crown. Yes, draw like this. Draw the 2 curved lines. Join the upper and lower part of crown. Draw the outline of this curved line. Okay, make a design like this. After that we are going to draw here the leaf shape on the upper side of the crown. Draw like this. Okay, it is very easy. You can change the design. Okay, use your creativity. Draw like this. Again draw here the small oval shape and small circle. Okay, then make a outline like this. Yes, and then we are going to draw here her ears. Start from middle. Okay, draw the wave line like this. Okay, it's look like a hairs. Okay, see, our face is ready. We are going to draw the details of her face. First draw the eyes. First draw the eyebrows. Draw like this. Okay, then draw her bindi between the two eyebrows. Okay, then draw here the eyes like this. Okay, draw properly. Then draw the eyeballs. Draw the half circle like this. Okay, then make a outline. Okay, after that we have to draw here the two curve lines for her nose. Okay, it is very easy. Listen student, everyone observe the drawing properly, how I am draw. Okay, then after draw here the nose ring. Okay, make a small circle, draw small circle on the ring. Yes, then draw here the mouth. Okay, draw like this. It's very easy and looking very beautiful. Okay, so student, our face is ready here. After complete our sketch, we have to make a outline with black sketch pen. Make a outline properly. Draw outline properly. Okay, and then draw a crown outline. Okay, make a small lines between this line, two lines, and again fill this gap with black sketch pen. Okay, and then draw here her hairs. Like this, and then draw her crown with design. Okay, then draw here her earrings. Draw her face outline like this. Draw neatly. Then draw earrings here also. Okay, after that we have to make a small design. Make a outline here also. Make a outline on both side, and then necklace also. Okay, see, the face outline is ready. After that we have to draw eyebrows. We have to make a border her eyebrow and fill these eyebrows like this. Then make bindi. After that make a outline her eyes and fill eyeballs. Okay, make a border properly. Draw a small circle for her nose ring. Make outline properly. See, our face outline is ready here. After that we have to draw the details here. After completing the outline, we have to draw small designs on her crown like this. Okay, draw the design in this part also. Okay, and see, we have to fill this part. Make a circle here. Okay, we have to fill the gap between every two circles. Okay, like this. See student, our whole face is ready here. In the next video we will do the coloring part of this drawing. Okay, bye, thank you.